Yeah, you know, sometimes I do my best thinking when I'm driving on a beautiful day like this. It's just a gorgeous day. I love driving in Dallas, especially the traffic's light. And of course, the last thing you want is to have pull over to the side because you've got car trouble. That's why we want to make sure all the maintenance is done. Bring the car in to Autoscope. We'll check it all out before, especially if you're taking on long trips. But a day like today, it's gorgeous. I love driving. We're getting ready to go into downtown Dallas. About to cross this beautiful bridge, one of the two beautiful bridges, two gateways into Dallas. You know, Dallas has been very good to me and my family. It's fabulous. We started a long time ago, about 36 years now. We got 3 locations. First one was around White Rock area. I actually started pumping gas. And the second one was in Plano. We built that about 10 years afterwards. And then the newest one, which is fabulous, right by Love Field Airport on Denton Drive. Wonderful, wonderful facility. You know, one thing I see a lot of people when they drive, I used to do the same thing as well. The way their hand positions are not 9 and 3 o'clock. They're basically, and they teach this in the school. You know, they say, oh, you have to have it between 10 and 2, 10 and 2. Well, you don't have much control when you do that. You know, it really needs to be 9 and 3. As a matter of fact, if you, most of these high-end cars, you see there's a notch actually placed for your thumb. It gives you great control, and it's a relaxed mode. Your hands are actually relaxed, your shoulders are relaxed, as opposed to the 2 and 10. You don't have much, try it, you don't have much control over the steering wheel, where here you have a equal feel balanced. So very important. So stay tuned and subscribe to Navigating with Nerces. It'll be a fun ride, and I hope you learn a few things. And I promise, I'll never steer you wrong.
Autoscope, trust and value the way car repair should be.